This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the WaterTech Pool Blaster Pro 2000, and this is a cordless rechargeable vacuum for your pool or spa. And let me show you what comes included with the Pool Blaster Pro 2000. And you have the user manual, and this shows you how to set up the cleaner. You have the vacuum head with the brushes on the bottom, and this is a fixed vacuum head. Also included is this really high quality manual vacuum head. Included is this universal vacuum head adapter. This is what you're going to use to connect the manual vacuum to the Pool Blaster Pro 2000. You have the nose cap. You have the multi-layer filter bag. You can see that it's a large capacity bag. And you have an all-purpose bag, and this is mainly for leaf debris. And you have a sand silt bag, and this is great for sand, silt, and dirt. And there's a few extra replacement brushes included. And you have the charger and plug, and there's also a European adapter included. There's also this included shoulder strap, so you can carry it back to your stops or to your backyard pool. And then you have the body of the cleaner. You have the motor here on back. You have this really nice aluminum pole adapter here. It's got this nice handle. And one thing that I really like about this vacuum is that it's completely water sealed. You would charge it here at the charging port. This will ensure that no water will get into the motor and compromise the cleaner. And the power button's right here. And the nice thing about the body is that it's really compact. This cleaner will work in 10 inches of water as long as you keep the vacuum horizontal and submerged in the water. And the assembly is really simple. You take this nose cap and slide it over the front like this. Once you have that on, go ahead and pull this back. That locks it in. If you're going to use the manual vacuum head, which is what I recommend you use with this cleaner, slide that on, and then you'll click it in place. Go ahead and tighten the nut. And then you'll connect this to the top of the vacuum head. And it should fit on here very firmly. And this configuration gives this cleaner a power rating of 1500. And this is a really powerful vacuum. Again, you can use it to vacuum an entire pool. You can spot vacuum a pool or spa. It's just a very versatile cleaner. And you can see it here next to a standard WaterTech vacuum. And you can see that it's a lot bigger and it's definitely much more powerful. Then you want to open up the charging port on the back and simply plug it in. And you'll see this red light on the charger indicating that it's charging. When it's fully charged, it'll turn green. And let me show you the debris that it picked up here. And this does a great job with leaf debris as well as dirt, sand, and silt. You can see the bag is completely full of leaf debris. And that's a look at the Pool Blaster Pro 2000 by WaterTech. It definitely is a powerful rechargeable vacuum. And as you can see, it does a great job picking up leaf debris as well as sand and silt. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.